Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best smoothie blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nutri Bullet NBR1201 Smoothie Blender. You didn't honestly think we'd write a review about the best smoothie blenders without the original nutrient extractor, Nutri Bullet, getting a big old mention. We've picked it out as our best choice today because it's quite simply supreme when it comes to pulverizing fruits and veggies to make superfood super smooth shakes and smoothies. Being healthy just got a whole lot easier thanks to this powerful 600-watt motor on a high-torque power base. What helps set this machine apart is the patented stainless steel blade design with cyclonic action. It can break down even the toughest of ingredients to deliver a daily dose of silky smooth goodness and a perfectly balanced and nutritious meal in a glass in just seconds. Perfect for anyone with a hectic lifestyle who wants to enjoy the nutritional benefits on the go. Cleaning up is a breeze too, so really, what's not to love? Moving on at number 4, we have the Calphalon Auto Speed Blender. We've opted to give this Calphalon Auto Speeder our Premium Choice Award today as, given the incredible price you can currently purchase it for in light of all those superb features and benefits on board, it really does represent a premium product with an attractive price point. With intuitive auto-speed technology, dual-direction blades and a powerful 1100W motor, there's plenty to love about this best fruit smoothie blender. The Calphalon Auto Speed Blender senses the mixture in the jar and adjustable the power delivered to ensure perfect results every time. That's some kind of blending witchcraft. It comes with a large-capacity 2-liter BPA-free Triton container which is dishwasher-friendly, making cleaning up a breeze. Overall there are 10 different speed settings, and 4 presets for smoothies, dips, milkshakes and frozen drinks. Also included are blend-and-go cups with secure seal lids so that you can enjoy a delicious post-workout shake on the go. If you are looking for a high-quality, durable as well as a good-looking blender that's also backed by an impressive 10-year manufacturer's warranty, then look no further than this Calphalon dual-direction blender. Love this Zero product? Check out our review of the best milkshake makers for our top picks. At number 3, we have the Vanaheim KB64 Professional Blender. The sleek design of the Vanaheim KB64 is matched by that powerful performance which comes from its professional-style 2.0 HP motor that can deliver 1450W of peak power yet is 4x quieter than traditional smoothie makers of this caliber. It's not just powerful, it's also versatile too, and with this special design cyclonic action can perfectly pulverize everything you throw at it, crushing, blending, pureeing and processing everything from frozen to highly fibrous fruits and vegetables as well as nuts and seeds. Blast ice into slushy-style snow in just seconds and take advantage of the multi-program settings. There are 9 preset smart programs on board as well as 4 preset speeds, low, medium, high and a pulse setting. You have the freedom and flexibility to decide whether you want to operate manually or use one of the preset programs. The control panel features a clear LED display which tells you time elapsed, and it's easy to adjust. There's a self-cleaning function which is seriously impressive, and the high-capacity 64 ounces Triton container is BPA-free, shatter and scratch resistant. With an easy pour spout too, there's no mess or drips, just fast and efficient pouring. From soup and smoothies to cocktails and milkshakes, the Vanaheim KB62 Professional Blender can tackle them all. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best immersion blenders. At number 2, we have the Aicok Professional Blender. Aicok as a brand is dedicated to producing high-quality, durable and professional-style household and kitchen appliances. Aicok 1200-watt professional blender is a perfect example of that commitment to excellence with lots of fabulous features that you will appreciate if you are looking to purchase a seriously efficient fruit smoothie blender. The motor is powerful and reliable but has also been intuitively built with plenty of user-friendly safety features too, including a built-in safety lock and an external safety button. On the unit itself, there's an LED smart touch control panel that has pre-programmed popular settings for pulsing, blending and pausing so that you can tackle everything from ice to seeds as well as delicious frozen fruits all with the simple push of a button. If you want to make up a batch of your favorite breakfast smoothie to grab and go, use one of the sip and seal lids, so you have your own travel cup. Besides that larger 35 ounces jar, there's also a more conveniently portable 28 ounces jar which is perfect for the gym. For a personal blender which can deliver professional style results, the Aicok Professional Blenders gets our vote of confidence. A 2-year manufacturer's warranty is also included with your purchase, providing valuable peace of mind. Our handy guide to the best iced tea makers features more great products like this. And finally at number 1, we have the Hamilton Beach 12412-12412-3421-5 blender. We've awarded our best value choice to this Hamilton Beach 12412-12412-3421-5 blender, personal single-serve smoothie blender from Hamilton. It's been designed to help you start the day the healthy way by blending up in seconds a fruit or veggie-based smoothie or shake that you can grab and go. Setting you up perfectly for the day ahead, you can blend together a super green, nutrient-charged power smoothie that's fully loaded with essential vitamins and minerals and will have you charging through the day. With super easy-to-use one-touch blending, it features a compact storage jar and wraparound cord so that even when it's not in use, it will have minimal impact on your countertop space. With stainless steel blades, it's out the most powerful unit we're reviewing today, but the price is pretty hard to beat and it does the job of whipping up fruit smoothies and protein shakes a treat. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.